Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the virtual School of Physics. This is premised under Education Without Borders. Ladies and gentlemen, this cast or this program is intended to interact with students at elementary levels and advanced levels, that's university and tertiary colleges. Some of the areas we intend to cover are categorized into sections. The first section is general physics, under which we have measurements and motion. Some of the topics we shall deal with under measurements and motion are measurements, speed, velocity, and acceleration, graphs of equations, falling bodies, density. Also, we have a subtopic of forces and momentum, under which we shall deal with topics of weight and stretching, adding forces or additional forces, forces and acceleration, circular motion, moments and levers, centers of mass and momentum. We shall also have subtopic of energy, work, power, and pressure, under which the areas to be covered shall be energy transfer, kinetic and potential energy, energy sources, and pressure and liquid pressure. Ladies and gentlemen, we shall also have section 2, that's thermal physics. Under that, we shall have simple kinetic molecular model of matter as the subtopic. The topics under that shall be molecules and the gas laws. Shall also have thermal properties and temperature. Under that, we shall have expansion of solids, liquids, and gases, thermometers, specific heat capacity, and specific latent heat. Also, under the subtopic of thermal processes, we shall have conduction and convection and radiation. Under section 3, that's properties of waves, we shall have the subtopic general waves properties, under which the topic shall be mechanical waves. We shall also have light. Under that, we shall study light rays, reflection of light, plane mirrors, refraction of light, total internal reflection, thin lenses, electromagnetic radiation. Under the subtopic of sound, we shall have sound waves 1. Ladies and gentlemen, again, under section 4, we shall have electricity and magnetism as the main topic. Under it, we shall have subsections, simple phenomena of magnetism. The topic shall be magnetic fields. There we shall deal with the drawing of those fields, their orientations, and so on. We shall also have electrical quantities and circuits, under which we shall have the subtopics static electricity, electric current, potential difference, resistance, capacitors, electric power, electronic systems, and digital electronics. Under electromagnetic effect, we shall have generators, transformers, electromagnets, electric motors, electric meters, and electrons. Dear viewers, under section 5, we shall have atomic physics, under which radioactivity and atomic structure shall be learned. Viewers, my name is Tutor Martin, and I look forward to a very helpful engagement with you so that you may learn physics to understand how things operate and to help you advance in many ways, including passing your examinations at all levels. It's important to note that this program shall not discriminate against any curriculum, whether IGCSE curriculum, any international curriculum studied in Africa, particularly Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania, and others, shall be put into consideration. Physics is universal. Concepts shall be learned as and when we find them useful as proposed by learners in this site. I urge you, gentlemen and ladies, subscribe to my channel and let's work together. Thank you very much.